Running a patio or driveway cleaning company can be a daunting task, but we are here to help you today to figure out what you need to ask them, what you might want to know, because you might not. I don't know. I need a company to come clean my patio. I don't think about, but there are things you should know about any company that you're going to, and that's why I've brought Pierre with us today, just to find out.
Yeah, sure. I'm happy to help. Thank you for having me,
That's
Tracy.
okay.
That's
Welcome,
always happy to help and see how we can help. Yes, sometimes it would be the first time you might have your patio clean. It might be so long since you've had it done last time that you might not remember. So this blog and videos aim to help you to know what to look for. And it's, I keep it really simple. I won't overcomplicate it.
No.
How would I choose the right company? And we are now in this article probably just talking about if you choose somebody to do it for you, what to look for.
Yeah, what to look for.
So what I would suggest you look for is, of course, go to Google and start by looking for the reputable ones. Choose probably 2 or 3 that would provide you with some quotes. Also, it depends what you have got available in your local area, because somebody watching this might be watching it far out of the area we work in. We know in Cambridgeshire area there are some good companies out there that offer this type of service, and have a look at the Google reviews and then consider if they have good reviews. That's already a good start. Get 2 or 3 to quote for you, and then when they come and quote, I would suggest that you ask certain questions, and I always say let's make an acronym that is easy to remember. GEARS, GEARS, right? So we start with GEARS. G is a guarantee. If you're not happy with the service, are they willing to come back and put it right? And if they can't put it right, are they willing to give you money back? What guarantee do they offer? So that's the first question I would ask them. E is, what education have they done? What have they done in training that help them know what it is that they do? And do they regularly revise what they do and analyze what they do so that they can then do the right thing for you? So what we do here at Art of Clean with regards to that matter is every season before we start patio cleaning, I personally go and attend training and then meet with the team, and we do a full day of patio cleaning training. So we remind ourselves, if we use this product, these are the results. And to top my knowledge up, I attend a regular training session at least once a year, looking at patio cleaning, what happens out there. This year we went to soft wash systems in Kent, and we learned more about it. Involved also roof cleaning and surface cleaning and all those sort of things. I learned a lot from that experience, which was quite good. It also gave us a better understanding of chemicals and how it reacts. I was going to say,
and the other thing is chemicals change every year, don't they?
They do, they can, yes.
Educate yourself.
And not mixing chemicals and learning what's important there. So that's what we do. So every year before the season starts, we've got the machine. We literally start the machine up and everybody have a go, and we just sit down in the room and we talk about that process. So that's what we do. But find a company that can tell you a little bit more about your education. DEA achievements. What have they done? What jobs have they worked on that are quite good? What have they done?
Have they got any examples?
Well, have they got any examples of what they've done? And also, where I would say is, what do they do for their local community?
Yeah.
You know, what achievements have they done, and how did they give back to the community? Have a look at that as well. And then next one is a reputation. What do other people say to them? And this is where the reviews come in as very handy. And last thing is systems. And what system do they use to clean your patio? Do they use a little portable system that fits in the back of the van? And yes, there's jobs that's ideal for. You take that little thing, you put it in the back of the van, you've got a dustbin, and you put water in the bin, and it sucks the water out of the bin and it cleans it. But that's all it does, right? That machine cannot heat the water. No. That machine hasn't got a boiler. That machine might be a 15 litre a minute machine that puts 15 litres of water a minute on the surface.
It makes a difference when you're cleaning.
If you clean with a 21 litre a minute machine like we do, then there's much more water going down, which means the pressure and the flow is bigger and the results can be much better. And then combine that with the idea that we can combine that with a cleaning solution, we can combine that with heat so that you can remove those things. So speak to them about the systems they use to clean for you, and also as part of systems, consider how they would maintain that. It's very important not to just think, well, they've got this very fancy machine, but how do they actually maintain it? Have they got somebody in-house that ensure that it's fixed if it breaks or not perform as it should, and it works as it should? Yes. Yeah. So it doesn't mean that somebody's done it for 20 years, they do it 20 years, they've done it right.
No,
it can be that they've done it 20 years, but they've done it wrong for 20 years, but they still get it good enough so they get out the other side, but 6 months later your patio don't look that good.
No, exactly.
So that's the thing.
Perfect. And so there you go. They're the things to look out for. So now you know what to ask for. I will link other cleaning chemicals that we recommend, because we have linked them before in other videos, but I'll link them again down below now so that you've got them. If there's anything else you need to know or anything else that we haven't covered, just give us a shout, drop them in the comments, and we'll get back to you. Bye.
Thank you.